from MarketLife.com. Welcome to the free video for Monday, September 21st, 2020. So we have a bearish setup in the S&P 500, and this is what we've been talking about. I just kind of wanted to update on this because there's some really good pattern lessons here and also some ideas for trade management. A lot of big picture things here I think you can take away. But the short setup is we've been uptrending for a while, had a sharp move down, and then a reluctant bounce, and then a roll over Friday. So that's in the S&P. You can also see, if we look at the NASDAQ, you can see very similar pattern there. Now, if you wanted to be very aggressive to the short side, one potential warning is we don't see that in the Russell 2000. We don't see a similar setup. So this is not, and we all know this is being driven by a lot of big tech stocks, a lot of big former leaders. This could be the beginning of a bigger picture turn, but I don't think so. Your expectation with this trade is a measured move objective, which looks something like that on the chart. You can measure it more exactly if you want, but you just got to think, once you start edging down toward 3,100, you're kind of reaching the normal expectation for the trade. And this is also a pretty good opportunity to think about the typical ways in which flag patterns fail. So if you have a bear flag, there are basically three common failures. One is you thought it was going down and just ends up going up. So you see strong momentum against. That would be a warning sign. The other is you get down around the previous pivot and you have price rejection there, and then the market explodes to the upside. They're similar, but the difference is here with this, you make a test of that previous low, which we came very, very close to doing Friday. And the other failure is we just fail into a sideways range. So as you're thinking about managing the trade, watching how it plays out, those are possibilities to keep in mind. And we will just have to see what the market gives us. But pretty good short setup, one of the best we've seen in a long, long time. One of the only ones we've seen in the index since April of 2020. So definitely worth watching whether or not you're trading it. And last thought, also do temper your expectations. Though it is a short setup, it's not a setup for a crash. It's a setup for one swing down. And if we get more out of it, maybe we'll get lucky, but that's what we expect. So that's what we have to start the week. I think that's the most important thing to look at. We also have updated our small cap list. You can go check out the patterns there. Some of those may speak to you, see if you can find good setups. And I'd also love for you to come over to MarketLife.com. Check us out, $7 a month for your first month trial. I get to see everything we're doing with stocks and currencies and see what our daily analysis and signals can do for your trading. That's MarketLife.com. And if you use the code OPTIONS20, you get a 20% lifetime discount on all subscriptions. Thank you very much.